Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel BJ Fashion Ideas. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all doing great. Today I'm going to show you very beautiful outfits to Turkish and Arabian dresses outfit with hijabs. If you like my video, so please subscribe and click the bell icon. I hope you all doing great. Inshallah very soon we will be back again. So please, if you watch my video, if you like, so please like and comment and subscribe. Inshallah very soon we will back. So remember me in your prayers. Take care. Allah Hafiz.